Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 40-inch TCL Android LED TV. In this TV the complaint is no display due to backlight related fault. See friends, here we already opened the panel frame. See, these are the LED backlights. While checking with the LED checker we found that among this 3 LED strips only one LED is good, so here we need to replace the entire LED backlights with new for avoiding future backlight related problems. So here we bought 3 new LED backlights from the market. Now let's install this new backlight. See friends, finally new backlights are installed. Now we can put the diffuser sheet panel, frame panel, everything back to the TV. See friends, finally here we connected all sockets and put all screws back to TV. Now let's power on the TV and check the picture. Finally see friends, now picture comes and TV is repaired successfully. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with yet another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.